Now we're going to put individual delay times onto some fixtures. As you can see, I have already selected the fixtures and turned them to red. Next I'm going to press the delay key, change to colour, and press one of the colour encoders to bring up the pop-up window. Now I'm going to type in 0 through 5 for 0 through 5 seconds. As you can see, this has entered the timings 0 through 5 seconds into the programmer. As this data is in the programmer, I can store it into the next queue by pressing Store Please. Now let's take a look at how that appears on stage. When I press Go, the fixtures change from blue to red over 0 through 5 seconds, each fixture changing at a different time. Let's take a look at how the queues look in the sequence executor. As you can see here, the delay column has lit up in an orange colour and the iDelay column has the range of times in it. I can use this to delete the times by clicking on the iDelay column and pressing Remove. As the queue has no fade time, I'm going to put a 3-second fade time into the queue here. Go back to stage and run the queue again. You'll see that the fixtures still delay at different times, but all fade in over 3 seconds, creating a nice sweep across the stage.